Okay, I'm pretty sure a guy with a suitcase is after me. I don't know what to do. I'm kidding. What I meant to say was, I'm pretty sure Suitcase guy's here to beat me up. I'm kidding. What I meant to say was, I'm pretty sure Suitcase guy's after me. Right? And today, we have a special guest. Are you ready?
Heck yeah, ready.
Come out, Shark Puppet.
Oh, yeah, I got the moves, yeah.
Shark Puppet, stop.
Okay, I'll stop. What are we here? What are we here for? Huh?
Well, we're here to witness you get beaten up.
Oh, no. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Shark Puppet, get back here. Who are you?
I'm Shark Puppet. I work with Suitcase guy, and he sent me here to beat you up. Sent me here to kill you.
Ah, you're working with Suitcase guy?
Yeah, and so am I.
Satan! Ah, no! I can't deal. Get away from my studio equipment! Ah!
You don't do this to me.
Ugh. Satan? Why are you beating me up? You're not meant to do that.
I'm Suitcase guy. I'm Suitcase guy.
Ah!
That killed him.
Oh, that actually hurts. Yeah, it's meant to. It's meant to. Well, normally it doesn't.
No.
Yeah. There's something I want to do. What did you just throw at me?
Nothing.
The ball. The ball is supposed to be here.
Hit the light.
Can't pick up the bouncy ball.
Here I go. Sorry, I ate the camera. Oh, sorry, I ate the camera. Got him. Okay, I think we're good.
Don't worry, Shark Puppet. They can't find us now.
Look behind you, bitch.
Why? Just walks in. Say goodbye to your beloved friend, the shark. No, don't grab me by my hood and pull me. And Suitcase guy, in case you're an idiot, that means grab me by my hood and pull me.
I thought you said no.
Whoa, wow, he's very stupid.
Probably shouldn't have said that. I don't want you to grab me by my hood and drag me away. Oh no! He's grabbing me by my hood and dragging me away! Just like I said for him not to do. He's pushing me away. It would be a lot easier to push me if I did not have the suitcase. No, he's beating me up off camera, so he doesn't know. Get away from my studio equipment!
Yeah.
Suitcase guy, you thought that was funny?
What? You didn't think I had a sense of humor?
Stay away from my studio equipment.
Why should I?
Oh, yeah! You messed me up, Suitcase guy. I was trying to do dramatic entrance with Shark Puppet. Look out, Suitcase guy. Suitcase guy, don't. Suitcase guy, don't. His face in darkness. Oh no. This is war, Suitcase guy. Shark Puppet. Shark Puppet. Shark Puppet. Shark Puppet. Look at this lighting, guys. The light has been enhanced. We're gonna put it back so the lighting's... The phone was originally back there. ridiculous
I
entrance.
can't wait for my funny entrance.
You know, to get me.
Why do you let me do this still?
I don't let you do it. I don't want you to do it.
Then why do I do it?
I'm here to get you.
Oh no, I do not want you to get me.
I'm going to get you.
Ryan, I have a question for you.
What?
Suitcase guy,
Yeah?
where is the shark puppet?
I'm going to get him.
Where's my shark puppet at? Sharky! Where'd you go? Shark puppet! I believe I injured you, buddy. You okay, shark puppet?
Football.
It's not a football. I hope you don't kick it at my head.
By that, you definitely mean kicking it.
Just throw it at my head. Oh, suitcase guy, you didn't hit me with it when you were. Oh!
I'm gonna beat you up till you can't say any words.
No, not the fight.
Help, fans. He's leaking blood in it. Guys, I'm losing blood. This is almost the end of the series. I'm sorry. I can't investigate him anymore. Not right in there. Suitcase guy, I'm losing blood and it's all because of you. That was perfectly in view. That was perfectly in view. Suitcase guy, I'm so sorry. Suitcase guy, I'm so sorry. Clunk. Oh no.
Okay, guys, we need epic lighting for this battle.
I'm good at blocking with my feet, in case you haven't noticed yet, man. So sorry.
Suitcase guy.
Suitcase guy. He's after you.
I am so sorry. This is gonna be a sad episode. I don't even know where the shark puppets went anymore. I try to block them with my feet all the time, but it never works. I'm sorry, guys. I have to go now. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.